Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change currency on Roblox. So to see or know your currency, you just have to tap your Roblox here, and at this very moment you can see the currency that you're using. Now if you tap this gear icon here and go to your settings, go to your account, okay, you will see there the options like account info, we have here password, we have here language, we have here theme. But unfortunately, you cannot see anything here that says country because right at this very moment, there is no feature for change currency or change country. So you must be careful. I mean, you must put the correct country or region so that it won't change anything later related to your country or currency. The best thing to do is to simply connect to any VPN. Okay, if you want to change your currency in Roblox, you just have to connect your Wi-Fi to any VPN. For example, Proton, we have ExpressVPN, we have VPN. So there are tons of VPNs that you can use and you can connect to any country you want. Then in that way, you can change your currency on Roblox. But if you want to see any buttons here that says change your currency, change country, that's very impossible because right now there's no feature like that. So same thing, if you want to change your Roblox, you just have to connect to any VPN, then it will change your Roblox. So the only thing we can do for now is just to wait for that feature to be available on Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.